What's up, YouTube? Drew here with the Crown Majesta. Kind of a weird video. The car is disgusting. It's been sitting out in our springtime pollen problem. It's got like green dust on it. It's almost the color of an 07 Camry hybrid in the Aspen green pearl or whatever it was. But so small project today, just putting on the doilies that came with the car because they scream Japanese culture and that's what we like. So putting these on for Jade. She's wanted them on for a while. I washed them on the super gentle cycle in our front load washer with Woolite, and the stains from somebody's hair did not come out, but whatever, at least they're clean. So what I wanted to show you guys, the back ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and admit that I was starting to do this wrong. I took all my sockets. I always keep my DeWalt clean, but I took all my ratchets and everything into the kitchen and cleaned them with dish soap and Q-tips and crap, and proceeded to take the seat belt, that's a 14mm bolt in there, take the seat belt off to get it through the hole on the rear doily. And then I realized, okay, I had it through. I'm a total turkey because the back of the doily wraps around the seat, so it would have to go through the seat belt. So that doesn't make any sense. Then I realized, oh, stupid, take the seat belt out of here. The seat belt goes over the doily, not through it. This hole is to just go around the seat belt positioner, if you will, the guide. So I can't imagine that this video is going to help many people, because how many of you out there are trying to install doilies on a 30-year-old Japanese car? Probably not many, but for the sake of our channel, I know there's a lot of you on there that have subscribed to us that are fans of these cars and you like to see this stuff, so figured I'd show you. Don't forget, JDM, it shouldn't be a dream. I mean, if you're, established such that you can drive a, a $30,000 Camry, you can afford a JDM car. You can get rid of that $30,000 Camry, get yourself a $20,000 Camry and a $10,000 JDM. It won't be quite like this Majesta, but we have a Toyota Crown for sale right now for $7,850. This Mark II right here, which is absolutely drop dead gorgeous, 37,000 mile car, museum quality. That's going to be hitting the market for about 12 grand. So, don't watch this channel, don't watch what we do and dream about JDM. Again, if you can afford a brand new, even Corolla, you can switch to a used one and one of these. Don't dream about stuff that you can have, make it happen, okay? Don't forget, we are Rochester's JDM dealer. Thanks.